Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, in this video we are going to be talking about a Galaxy M series. Yes, you heard it right, Samsung is releasing another lineup for the Indian market. So as you guys know, the budget smartphone market was dominated by Xiaomi and also Huawei smartphones because they were actually selling some great smartphone for the price you are paying. For like $150 to $200 you were getting like some features which were available in flagship smartphones. But Samsung were also selling like budget smartphones, but Samsung's budget smartphones were equal to flagship of other smartphones because they were selling like $400 to $500 and they were quite expensive as compared to Xiaomi and Huawei smartphones and Oppo and many other companies. So recently Samsung saw that there's an opportunity for us to get back into the market, so they introduced a brand new lineup for the Indian market. It will be consisting of M10 M20 and M30. It's going to be the flagship of the budget smartphone. So recently I was watching one of Technical Guruji videos where they met with a Samsung official and they were talking about the specs of this latest lineup. They didn't introduce a lot of specs, they didn't tell us about more of the thing because they said the smartphone is going to release on 27th or 28th of this month. So they said it's going to have a minimum of 2 cameras and a maximum of 3 cameras known as triple cameras. So we can expect triple cameras on the M36. It's going to be the flagship. The second thing they said was one of the smartphones is going to have an AMOLED display. So already Samsung displays are best in the market, but if they are introducing AMOLED in this price point, the display is going to be very great. The third thing they said was a smartphone is going to have 5000 mAh battery. So 5000 mAh battery is the first time Samsung is ever going to put this much big battery on a smartphone, because recently their battery was like 3300 to maximum I think 4000 mAh. 5000 mAh is actually a very big battery. So the pricing of these smartphones are going to start from $150. So maybe the M10 is going to cost $150 and it's going to go up like $300 to $350. And to be honest, the specs which are rumored, if they are getting that specification for this price point, I think these smartphones are going to sell like cupcakes. So another thing they said in the video was it's going to have a raindrop notch. So this is going to be the first time Samsung is going to introduce a notch on their lineup, because recently they did introduce the O Infinity display, but it was kind of different from a notch. So this time Samsung is going to introduce the notch, the raindrop notch on the M series. So it's going to be same like other smartphones like Xiaomi and also the Honor and many other smartphones. So this is going to be a very hard competition between the Samsung, the Xiaomi and also the Huawei and many other smartphone companies, because as you guys know, Xiaomi and other companies were not making a lot of money selling their smartphones, because I saw a documentary on internet where they said Xiaomi was only making like $5 to $10 per smartphone. So in this price point there isn't a lot of profit, so these companies have to work very hard to get the best features to the consumer so they can buy their smartphone. So as you guys know, Samsung is introducing their S10 on the 20th of next month, and they are introducing the M series on 28th of this month. So Samsung is launching a lot of smartphones this year as compared to 2 flagship smartphone or maybe some budget smartphones. This year they are making another lineup for the Indian market. So right now we don't know if these smartphones are going to release in other countries, maybe Asian countries, in Middle Eastern countries, because as of now we know that M series is only going to be for the Indian market, for the Indian consumer. So right now we don't have much news whether these smartphones are going to be available in other countries or not. So guys, with that being said, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel, and thanks for watching.